Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video, I'm going to go over the setup of TrueNAS 13 on my in-laws machine. This is so that way they can back up their files. If I have anything that they might need, as far as like I can find software for them or something like that, I can dump it on there. We can install it. Their tablet, phones, all that stuff can be backed up to it and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully it'll work this time around. But before we do that, if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, share this channel with other people that you know that it could benefit. Select the bell icon all so that way you'll get notified of new videos that I do. And now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so hopefully this works this time. I don't know if it will or it won't. I may have to power it off and turn it back on. We shall see when I hit Control-Alt-Delete. Okay, so that's done. Now it says USB SanDisk, so let's see if it'll work. And it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna try pausing this again, and all right, so let's see if it works this time. We'll see. It's fucking ridiculous. All right. So apparently this computer does not like the stuff I put in. It sees it. It sees the card. It sees the 2.5-inch drives. The only thing I'm thinking is it doesn't like to boot. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to work on this project again, and hopefully I'll get it up and running. It might take me more than 2 weeks. It just depends. Hopefully the next video will be me going through all this, since I finally figured out how to capture the video out of the card so that I can do it. I'll probably have to take the 2 drives off, attach them directly to the motherboard, and pray to God it works. I mean, I can't get it. It won't boot at all. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I have to figure that out. So, but yeah, that's hopefully the game plan. So as I always like to say, have a good day, guys. Take care.